Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I'm going to continue with the fall eyeshadow palette series. We're going to be creating an eyeshadow look today with Urban Decay Naked Heat and Itsbel Cosmetics Dawn of Fall. Now the Naked Heat you can still purchase on the Urban Decay website. I'm not so sure about the Itsbel one. Sometimes they do put it back in stock and they might, because it's fall. If you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, hit the subscribe button and let's get into this video. Urban Decay Naked Heat. We are going to use a lot of my alter ego brushes, again going along with the theme of just using these brushes so that you always have a brush number if you want to recreate the look. I usually like to use the alter ego number 5 as like my transition shade. Now I did use the ColourPop Party Proof eye primer. This reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay eye primer potion. So we're going to use Sauced, which is this shade down here, and put this into the crease. Now Naked Heat is a very warm toned palette and it has some beautiful berries in it, so you can create some like beautiful fall looks with this palette. It does retail for like $54 though, so yeah. But I think if you're looking for a really good warm toned, berry toned, burnt brown palette, this is like perfect for you. And I love just like dipping back into some of these oldies but goodies that I have in my collection, because like sometimes you forget about what you have. Okay, we're gonna use this shade right here. It is a deep berry, it's called Un Fuego. We're using an alter ego number 6 brush. I'm gonna use this all over the lid. It's very dark. We're doing something like super simple today so you guys can see the power of the Itsbel shadows as well. Hey Siri, what does En Fuego mean?
Okay, I found this on the web for what does En Fuego mean. Check it out.
Translated from Spanish, it means on fire. Okay, so my eyelids are on fire. And then I'm going to use the alter ego number 9. This is that really good like smudgy brush, and then En Fuego is going to go in the lower lash line. I like it because it's not too like stubby and it doesn't feel like I'm scratching my eyeball. And then just touching up the edges right here. And now the Dawn of Fall. This does come with a full-size mirror, which is really nice because a lot of these like smaller pan palettes don't come with a full mirror. I noticed that ColourPop hardly ever comes with a full-size mirror, but there's some like beautiful duochrome shades in here. I think today we're going to use Fall Sunset, which is this shade right here. This isn't a duochrome, but it is super pigmented and pretty. Oh, so pretty. It's just so pretty. And we're putting this from the inner corner to like the middle of the eye. And then I'm going to use the alter ego number 6 that we used to pack on the En Fuego. And we're just going to blend that in. That's so pretty. Do we want to use this shade? It's like a duochrome shade. It's called Autumn. So we're going to pop that right here. Let's see if it shows up or not. Just all on the outer corner. Look how pretty. I kind of like that. And then we're just going to blend again. This is the number 5. Then we're going to take Fall Sunset right here. That's really pretty. It's simple, but it's like dynamic and pretty. So let's try to mirror on this side. And then I accidentally dipped into Spiced, so we're gonna just like go with it and put some on this side too. Ooh, I like that. It's very like simple, 4 eyeshadows, 2 eyeshadow palettes. But see how the Dawn of Fall like totally like amps up the makeup look? It's so perfect because it has all of these beautiful foil and dual chrome shades, and when you put it with like a neutral palette, you can like totally amp up the look. So you don't necessarily need the Urban Decay Naked Heat. I just like it because it has all those warm tones, and you could use even like the Bare Necessities from ColourPop and amp it up with the Dawn of Fall. And then I just kind of want to get rid of some of that line. So we're going to take the number 5 again. We're going to use Chaser. Chaser is like that neutral shade right here. We're just going to use that right up here. Alright guys, here is the finished eyeshadow look with the Urban Decay Naked Heat and the Itsbel Cosmetics Dawn of Fall palettes. If you guys want to see more tutorials over here on my channel with some of my favorite fall eyeshadow palettes, be sure to check out the playlist below and also subscribe to the channel. So I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!